How to leave a review on Facebook Marketplace. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually leave a review on Facebook Marketplace. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. Now, the process to review for Facebook Marketplace versus Facebook Shops and pages are a little bit different, and I will show you what this means. So first of all, just open up your browser, and then currently if I go to Marketplace, and then let's say that there is a specific product that I purchased, and this is the product, right? It's in the Marketplace section. But you can see that wherever I go, if I just click on the three dots or wherever else, you will not be able to find the option to review it. That is because Facebook Marketplace currently does not have a review feature. That is that one thing that you want to understand. The Facebook Marketplace does not have a review feature, and they're actually testing out this feature because currently it is only available in the US, and that also not for computer, only for Android and iOS, and only on US. So just keep that thing in mind. The other thing what I would recommend you do is, if you want to review a Facebook page itself or a shop, then what you can do is just search for that specific shop over here, and then let's say that if I just go to the view shop button of this page as well, if I go to view shop as well, you can see I do not have the option to review it again. So no matter wherever I go, there's just no option to review it. The only thing you can do is you can actually review this page, and for this page all you need to do is just go to review section over here. Once you go to reviews, here you can see not rated yet. So if you want to review it, click on yes over here, and then just enter your review, click on the post. But of course, this is only reviewing it on a Facebook shop or a Facebook page and not on the Facebook Marketplace. So you just have to keep that thing in mind. So I hope this video helps you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, then make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.